about my mini IKEA greenhouse cabinet. So this is what it's looking like. The last time that I was dealing with this, I ended up getting a spider mite infestation, and I had to take all the plants out, all the moss out, spray it down and treat it, and I finally had put it together. I also just recently cleaned the windows, and so now it looks a lot more crystal clear that you can see inside of it. Inside, I have some trailing plants. I have a begonia. I have a mini fuzzy petal that's kind of figuring it out in life. And then I have some ivy. I have a black lipstick plant and a little begonia. And I also have some string of hearts that don't seem to be doing too well. I don't know. Looks like it's struggling a little bit. And then I also have some rainbow moss here that's doing pretty good. And then I have some rainbow moss up here that's not really doing the greatest. It's kind of dying out, but some pieces are staying alive. I just need to make sure that I spray it down a little bit more up here, because since the light is so close to it, it dries out a little bit faster than things down here. But yeah, that's an update on my IKEA greenhouse cabinet, and I'm just glad that I still have been able to put some use to it, because I took a lot of time building this thing, and it's absolutely gorgeous. But I just want to find better plants to put in here, because the trailing ones are cute, especially this one. I really enjoy this one in here, but like this should go. And I still have a couple more pockets right here, 1 and 2, that I could put more plants in, so gotta figure that out.